Now, you see, there's a difference between trial and temptation. The purpose of trial is to make you stand. The purpose of temptation is to make you fall. God sends trial, Satan sends temptation. That's the difference. So the purpose or the reason why God allows trials to come into your life is to make you stronger, is to make you stand. Anytime a temptation comes, the agenda is to make you fall. That's the difference. That's the opposite. Trials are unpleasant, but every temptation looks pleasant. This will look sweet. That's why many Christians don't love trials, but they are easily moved by temptation, because every temptation looks very appealing, very nice in the initial stages. Every trial looks bitter in the initial stages. Are you seeing the difference? Every trial looks bitter, it looks unpleasant, it looks frustrating in the initial stages, but hidden in the trial is glory. In every temptation, it looks very nice, very pleasant, very appetizing, very nice, but hidden behind the temptation is what? Problems. Anytime you overcome a temptation, you are promoted in the spirit, because every temptation is a test. Do you know why God allows temptation? Because whatever He teaches you, that's your examination. Right now, you've learned so many things. It is temptation that will prove whether you truly believe what you believe, or whether you have learned what you have truly learned. It's temptation that will prove it. When you have the chance to sleep with someone who's not your wife, that's what we can prove. So anybody that overcomes a temptation, there's a reward. The person is promoted. It was after Jesus overcame the temptation in Luke 4. You realize in the verse 14, the Bible says He returned in the power of the Spirit. Read it. And Jesus returned in the power. That was a promotion. When you read the book of Revelation, the Bible says, to him that overcomes, to him that overcomes, to him that overcomes. Which means the Christian life is a life of overcoming. If you keep overcoming, you keep growing, you keep advancing.